Thank you very much, fellow Kenyans, members of the media. I'm Babu, Owino, Member of Parliament in Embakasi's constituency. We are here today in court, and we came having been summoned by the court on the matter involving the land in question, the Kirima's land in question. And today, the judge has given us direction that a ruling on whether the orders will be given or not on the said matter will be done on the 18th day of April 2024. And we are very optimistic. We have faith in the courts that orders will be given to stop any transaction, any activity that is taking place on the said parcel of land. I want to urge the residents of both Embakasi East and Kasarani constituencies not to transact anything. Do not send money to the Kirimas. Do not respond to these letters before the conclusion of this matter. And the judge must give us orders, because this is a fresh matter. This is not a matter that is attached to the matter that ended. That was the matter which was case number 1257 of 2014. This is not that matter. This is a new case where the Italian Domenico De Masi, Bernardo De Masi, are claiming ownership of the said parcel of land. Therefore, residents of these two constituencies cannot, and they are confused on who to negotiate with. We need the court to make a determination on that matter. If there should be a case, if there should be a conflict of interest seen or is suspected to be seen on the side of the judge, then it is just very honorable for the judge to recuse herself from this matter, because this is not an easy matter. If there is conflict of interest, then better recuse yourself. This is a matter that we will pursue to its logical conclusion and ensure that the residents of both Embakasi East and Kasarani constituencies get justice that they deserve. Meanwhile, residents do not do anything. Do not comply with the orders of the Kirimas. This matter is still active in court. Thank you.